Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best grill brushes on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cuisinart Grill Brush. The Cuisinart Grill Brush is 16.5 inches and is perfect for cleaning all sizes of grills. The brush features 3 rows of aluminum coils, securely woven with stainless steel bristles, making removing stuck-on food from the grates effortless. With a comfortable grip and the perfect angle for scrubbing over grills, the smooth stainless steel handle ensures a comfortable hold. This brush also includes a stainless steel scraper on the end that aids in removing tougher, caked-on residue. Its durable design allows for repeated use. Simply rinse it with water, and it is ready to go again. What we like about it: lightweight and portable. Heavy-duty construction. Versatile with multiple uses. Customizable for various needs. What we don't like about it: may not fit in all spaces. Number 2. Outset Grill Brush. The Outset Grill Brush is designed to make grilling and cleaning a breeze. The brass bristles are sturdy and long-lasting, tackling even the toughest grime without scratching the surface. The handle is made of fine rosewood, providing a comfortable grip. With a convenient copper loop at its base, storage is simple, to just hook and go. Additionally, this oversized brush is ideal for larger surfaces, weighing 64 ounces and with dimensions of 65 to 35 to 4 inches. What we like about it: good surface area. Easy to clean. Durable and long-lasting. Easy to use. What we don't like about it: a handle may be too short for some. Number 3. Kona Safe Grill Brush. The Kona Safe Grill Brush offers a patent-pending design incorporating 3 brushes in one, eliminating the concern of metal bristles falling out. Made of 100% stainless steel, it is rust-resistant and compatible with all grill types. Using the Kona Safe/Clean Grill Brush is simple. Dip it in the water while brushing hot grills to steam clean them. It won't melt like nylon brushes, and with its 5-year manufacturer's warranty, you can be confident in your purchase. What we like about it: no metal bristles. Sturdy and well made. Long handle for easy control. Remove charred chunks from grill grates. Easy to clean. What we don't like about it: no scraper included. Number 4. Wheaty Grill Brush. The Wheaty Grill Brush is bristle-free, meaning that your food will be entirely free from any potential hazards caused by metal bristles. It also features a wide scraper that lets you clean more areas quickly. It works with all grill types, including gas, charcoal, and smokers. The brush is also built to last thanks to its 120% more rigid triple helix than other bristle-free brushes, and its 18-inch tough plastic handle with a better grip ensures a sturdier hold that won't bend or snap. What we like about it: stiff brushes make it highly effective. Low risk of bristles coming off. Easy to clean. Includes a scraper. What we don't like about it: not as suitable for smaller grills. Number 5. The Alpha Griller's Grill Brush. The Alpha Griller's Grill Brush features a heavy-duty design with a built-in scraper. This brush is suitable for all grates and boasts 3 times the surface area of a standard grilling brush. Its stainless steel bristles also guarantee it won't rust, even when exposed to the elements. What we like about it: gets the job with minimal effort. Sturdy and of high quality. Effective at deep cleanings. Easy to clean. What we don't like about it: the handle may be too long for some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.